Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, welcome to our this series of videos in which we discuss the customization of IT Studio dashboard report, analytical reports, right? And we have developed a template for you uh, in which you can customize your reports, as many reports as you want, right? So for a startup, we have chosen 4 reports, right? The first one is for views, the second one for watch time, the third one for every view duration, and the fourth one, if your channel is monetized and earning, yeah, you can keep a watch on your earning, how you are progressing. Okay, so when you take the view, so it tells you it gives you the comparison of 3 years, 2023, 2024, and 2025, right? 25 is just started, that's why it is otherwise 2023 and 2024 is completed, and half of the 2023 is showing zero because we started actually our work in June 2023. Okay, so this is how it is showing you the customized report, and it also tells you the top 3, whatever. If you are focusing, if you are viewing the views report, sometime it will be of watch time, sometime it will be so you can keep changing also. So the top 3, the best of the top 3 are listed. Top one, the second highest, and this is the third highest, right? In terms of views, right? If you want to switch to watch time, you can exit from this report and come back again and say, I want to see watch time. So press 2. So this is the watch time, and this will become watch time. And these are the top best fares. And this is the month-to-month summary, right? Okay, so let's see how we update our record. This report is until the 15th of January, and today is 22nd. 22nd will be excluded, so 21st will be a here, right? 21st of January. So from 15 to date, we will say from 16. 15 is already here. So let's move on to, let's go to uh, the uh, channel analytics, right? So that is here, right? And in here, we had 16th of January. We change this from take the customer and write it 16th of January, 16 of December. No, not December. It is January 25, right? Sorry. Yeah. Okay, 16 January 25 until today. Okay. So we apply it, and then what we do is we go to the date tab so that we have the these 4 things to which we do report, right? And then we can download. So once it is downloaded, enter the custom dates in this range from 16th of January to 21st of January. That's the maximum we can go. Not, although we have a 22nd of January today, but it is still in process at YouTube. So we can take the data until the 21st of the 1 day lag is there. Okay, so that's fine. We apply it and then we download it. When we download it, so a new tab will appear like this. And if it does not appear, you choose it to be displayed on the new tab. Okay, so it will display it, and then you download it into the Excel. Indication will come that it is downloaded. Open that folder, and you open this sheet as well. Okay, and here you can enable the editing. And these are this is the date. Okay, this is and these all are the things which you want to be this all to be taken into our table data, right? So we copy it and we take it where to we take it to the target sheet, yeah, and that is in the end. So 15th is here, and we go to the first row available, that is in the bottom, and then we press Control V, copy it. Okay, so we move the 0 is here. Don't let it blank. Okay, so it has to be 0 like this. Okay, now that's all you need to do. Don't worry about this formula. They will come automatically. And don't worry that it is coming on down. It should come on the top. It will come automatically. So as soon as you uh, click on the stop, yeah. So what we do here is that you can see that it is now sorted already, right? And and it can now process you the views. The views are such. Okay, so these are the views, and you have 515 views in January of 2025. That's right. Okay. And how about the watch time? Let's get back to the report again. We take the watch time. We click on 2. So 10 hours watch time. Previously, it was showing 6 hours, right? And if we take the third option, that is the average view duration. Yeah, it gives you the average view duration for January as well, and for all these things. Okay. And when you take the earning, okay, so the earnings are this way. Okay, it's right. Okay, so we have yet to be reported in January. Okay, so it is below 1, between 1 and 0 is something like this. Okay, so if you want to see the exact value of this 0, you can click in here and press F9 temporarily. Don't press enter, right? So it is 0.432, right? Okay, so this is right. Or you can also format it as a 2 decimal, right? You can increase the decimal like this so that you can see it. Okay. So this is how it is updated whenever you have more you to include in it, because YouTube does not allow you more than a download of more than 500 rows. So, but we are using our VBA skills, and it is already gone more than 500 rows, right? And it is reporting you in your customized manner, right? In the way which you want it, right? So this is how we do, and there's a VBA code working. We have explained you in our previous videos. If you want to see the VBA code, you go to view code, and this is what it's being done. As soon as you click on this sheet, the first thing it does that if there is any table data filtered, so the filters are cleared from the table data, right? And then it offers you there's options 1, 2, 3, 4. VBCR means come to the next slide. Carriage written, right? So this is why it is appearing in this manner. If I show you, so this uh, there is a VBCR after everything. That's why it is showing you vertical manner and each option on a new row, right? Within this text box. Okay, so let's see the code. Yes, in the code, the first thing it does, it deletes every shape, whatever is in this cell. So we have only the graphs, and so all the graphs are deleted. Okay. And the next is it clears all these range A2 to A25. So these all are each time an option is exercised or run mode is mentioned. So the first thing it does, it clears all these things, and then it writes whatever it writes the formulas to bring all this summary, right? this these are the formulas being used to max and index match. Yeah Index match means first of all it gets the max value, and then it checks that what is the date of that value, right, in the table data, right? Okay, so and so it determines how many years are there from year and to year, right? So it keeps on writing the formula, the years as if there are 3 years, 3 years will come. If there are 4, it will keep on increasing, right? And assigning them into the graph as a series, a separate series of data. And after all these things, it goes to plot the graph. Hmm. So in the end, it calls the comparative analysis. So that is the graph, drawing of the graph. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching.